Alright, so I'm back again with the Tucson, and this one is part 2, rain deflectors for the Tucson, because a lot of people are having problems installing these deflectors. Well, not installing them, but keeping them on their car, because they tend to fall off, and that would surely be very disappointing. So they used to sell these kits without any clips, and a lot of people had them fall off, so now they're including 4 clips with each kit and a little tool for you to put those clips in as well. So I think I said somewhere that they're optional, but I guess if you want them to stay on your rear windows, then you should install the clips along with the deflector. And I didn't install them, and mine are still on the car. They didn't fall off, so I guess it has to do with the adhesion, and maybe some deflectors are just a little more sticky than others, and maybe the channel, some people's channel's cleaner than others, and it just sticks better. So what I recommend is that you should try and be careful when you peel the tape off here, because it can peel the stickiness off along with it, and then nothing will be left on your deflector. So make sure that the adhesion is still there, or apply your own double-sided tape. I used this for my fender trim, and it's super sticky. Once you apply this tape, then it never comes off. It'll break whatever you put on, unless you heat it or use a blow dryer and heat it up really well. It'll come off, but otherwise it's almost like a permanent bond. And secondly, you gotta get these clips in properly when you go to install them. See, this one is in properly, and this one I'm just about to install to show you that there's 2 pieces of trim, so you got to get it behind the second one and tuck it right in there so that your deflector will sit on top, and these 2 clips will hold your deflector outwards and sort of keep the adhesive strip pressed along the channel. So now when you go to install the deflector itself, you just make sure that it's on top of the clip and in the channel, so that clip will hold it up and out, pressed into the channel, and it shouldn't fall out if you follow all the steps and you make sure the adhesion is good. You install the clips and put the deflector on top of the clips in the channel. It should be very secure and take a lot of force to remove. So hope you guys like your deflectors, and I got some real good videos coming soon. Oil pressure gauge, and I'm going to be working on my transmission, because there's something going on with the transmission I want to talk to you guys about, and I hope you can join me for my transmission videos. So until then, take care of your Tucson, and I'll see you then.